What we have here today is a 52-inch Harbor Breeze Moonglow. I got this at Habitat Restore a few days ago. Just now had time to put it up and make a video of it. It has lakeside glass on it because the original shades were broken, and the blades were covered in asbestos, and it's also messed up the gloss on top. This thing was in a kitchen, and the grease has messed with the finish of the irons and the blades themselves. As you can see, let me find the blades where it's like eating away at the material. See, like that. Clean your fans, people. Even though I don't, but clean them. Alright, start it on low. I'm gonna dim the light a little. And this thing does have a dying capacitor, so it does not go very fast. And if anybody wondering, the pull chain is 3-way. The top has LEDs in it because all the incandescents were burned out. I've thought about doing Christmas lights, but that's for the other one. All right, let's go to medium. What is that noise? Dang airplanes. Gonna mess up my videos. Alright. Let's go to high. My phone is about to die. So I hope it doesn't die while I'm recording this video, because I'm going to be very mad. And let's do a spin down. So if the video cuts off while I'm doing the spin down, it died. Okay? But I do really like this Moonglow, and it's already sold to somebody. I gotta put it up for them soon, along with this Armitage I got from Restore as well for like $3. I'm not complaining. Fully complete, mint condition. Make a quick buck off of it, you know. Come on, come on. Any day now, any day now. You know what? It's tempting. Done.